As the name heavy machinery suggests, these giants never cease to amaze us. Let's take a deeper look at these very large machines. Let's see how powerful they are, and how talented humans are to be able to create them. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A machine weighing hundreds of tons begins a new day of operations in Zurich. France comes with two different duplicate calendars. 690 completed the task of removing approximately 40 tons of steel from the tram tracks. When the tide goes out, the ship became an amphibious vehicle, possessing powerful capabilities on both land and water. His task is to double the freshest harvest. The 7300 excavator can excavate and repair the cross-section of the canal in one construction. The design of the machine is rigid enough, can handle the most complex, the most difficult construction task. What is the largest John Beale corn planter? Introduce the John Beale DB120. The planter is estimated to be 5 to 5.5 miles per hour, can plant 100 acres per hour. This means that in a 12-hour workday, he will be able to grow almost 200 acres of crops. That's the mechanical power. Arsbar's Dicklaw underwater crane is like Popeye in the deep sea. This big guy, controlled by the BB1000 lifting system, can lift heavy weights down to 500 feet. Structures. Let's talk about the 11th monster. It's a steel pipe pile built for large earthworks. He played a big role in supporting the foundation. Machine-driven steel pipe piles up to 12.5 meters in diameter. And just don't be too domineering. Farewell to the dusty construction site. We came to a wide field. Here is a stunning appearance of agricultural monsters. Imagine that. A big guy with a working width of 56 meters. You can cover an entire hectare of wheat in one sitting. Isn't this the agricultural version of Transformers? Speaking of the Cat 992 large wheel loader, this guy is a long-lived star. After more than 50 years, it still sits at the top of the size class. The productivity of the new Cat 992 has skyrocketed by as much as 48%. And just don't be too awesome. The U-blade. The malleable master uses his blade to reshape the land. In an upright position, he can move large amounts of dirt with ease. And they do it in a very confined space. Catter's swimage system easily sinks into the soil through the weight of the knife head. Create uniform mixing blocks. Simply a land beautician Gosso. The giant of grab dredgers. Huge grab can excavate large amounts of material and deliver bacteria to hard materials over. SPT100. Simply omnipotent. We want to chop the largest chunks of wood in a productive environment. Use Pride HF800. 2-element cone wooden machine is your best choice. 2-speed motor makes high loader. Wheel loaders and excavators can easily cut through the hardest wood. It's as simple as chopping melons and vegetables. More cars. Recycling has become a global challenge, but we are not vegetarians to dismantle the machine. Efficient demolition, missing classification, and valuable materials are not a problem. What makes this trailer unique is the design of the rear axle. Can slide and clean through this design. Operators can be ready for heap operations in less than a minute. FR205, a leader in the large crane industry, belongs to the lifting class of 300 ton meters. Half the power. Mining bot manipulation cutting machine is a good helper of excavator. Specifically designed to cut vegetation and remove unwanted trees or stumps. The cutting head can be rotated 360 degrees and routed. Adjust to different angles according to the needs of the work. It's like the Swiss Army knife of excavators. You might be surprised. How can these devices transport huge wind turbine blades in terrain? With narrow curved radii and FinTech IDO, ushered in a new era of efficient harvesting with its unique steerless steering system. 29800 as a leader in the mega mining market, suitable for a wide range of large mining trucks, equipped with powerful engines and cranes. He's like the god of mining. The Scania 2540 is a well-known name in the timber transportation industry. The 540 horsepower engine and 9.8-meter XL crane make him a well-deserved lumber hauler. Except for mines and construction sites, the Lipohar excavator was also heralded to the surface. to carry out bacteriosis work. It's a lot.